Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Today I'm using my crock pot. I'm gonna make some chicken herb taro soup. The taro, I thinly cut, slice it. It's a very good way to make soup. They give you a nice, nutty, savory, and creamy taste. So I have one taro, peel the skin, and cut it evenly thickness. It's gonna take a while to cook. And I have one rotisserie chicken. Just gonna put it in. And here, I got some rosemary. And we're gonna combine with thyme. And if you have bay leaf at home, please add some in, okay? I don't have bay leaf. I ran out of bay leaf. And of course, I want my ginger garlic. I like ginger and garlic for my soup. So I have one taro, few stems of the rosemary and the thyme, and maybe 3 tablespoons minced ginger and garlic. And the next thing, we're just gonna add into the broth. I just add plain water. I'm gonna let this recipe cook for really 24 hours. And then we're gonna cover up. I'm just gonna turn into low heat. So what we want is, we want to make a beautiful, delicious herb broth. And later on, when the chicken start become tender, I'm gonna separate the meat and keep the bone and let them keep cooking until you can almost chew through the bone so softly. Okay? One more ingredient, shiitake mushroom. Alright, go to sleep, chicken. Okay, it's about 10 hours. Low cook, low heat on the crock pot. Yes, 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 yes. Look at it. Look at the soup. The chicken, you see the chicken, it just melted. This is just a rubber spatula. You can just cut through the chicken. Huh? Oh yeah, that's gonna be a great, delicious soup. Oh, look at how tender the meat. As long as you keep it low heat, okay? No rush. You can go away, do your everyday thing, and come back. Look at your soup is shining, golden on the top. Okay, I'm gonna add some Shaoxing wine. The wine will give them more flavor, and also it will change the broth. The flavor is so delicious. And some salt, not much. And then we're gonna cover back up. See, now the chicken already just fall apart. The mushroom is nice umami flavor. And the Shaoxing wine will balance all the herb and the chicken. The bone marrow is really good for you. When I walk into the house, it smells amazing. Look at this. Warm your heart. So good. Wow, seriously, so good. Wow, I should make this more often. It's very simple. Rotisserie chicken, 3 tablespoons ginger and garlic, 3 or 4 stalks of the rosemary and thyme, and 2-3 cups of the shiitake mushroom dry, and just like this, A simple crock pot is good for family. Sodium is good. Everything is good. The wine really enhances the flavor. It just kind of like balance out all the ingredient into the soup. You see this golden, those are very nice. There's no saturated fat. This is real good stuff. Okay, let me see. Dinner start in 3 hours. I might eat some later. I cannot wait until tomorrow. It's already good. It's about 13 hours low heat cooking. It's ready to eat. I'm gonna have the thigh. I love dark meat. Get some mushroom. And the taro already melt. Blending with the soup. You see how beautiful it is? Oh, like this. One more piece mushroom. See how gorgeous? I'm using the Chinese spoon. Oh, look at the soup. Wow, so delicious, so good, yummy. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. If you like to add some goji or ginseng or any kind of dry medicine herb, that's the way to do it. I'm just gonna, one thing about the crock pot I love is I just continues cook. I'm gonna keep a low heat again, or maybe just keep it to warm. Keep it to warm, yeah. Okay? See you next time. Bye.